unboxing. Who is this? Leave a comment below, okay?
And give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up and get some subscribers. And I'll come back later. Bye. Okay, guys.
So we already opened
it,
unboxing it.
We got the mermaid.
And we have to open. There's a code, so you cannot open it. It's hard.
Yeah.
So let's.
We don't know what's that.
Yeah. So we are going to
Then
try
open
it
it, people.
first. And oops. Whoops. Nope.
Okay.
Okay. So we already get the blind bag. So let's go starting open the doll.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. So you take out that. Oh no, those ones you knew. And put.
Maziya!
So what you got?
I told you it's a brand. I told
Double!
you it's a double. It's okay, you can get a double. And this is the body.
No.
This is the face.
Let's
Okay,
see.
just take it off. Oh, it's
Something.
fierce. Okay, have to get the head. And she's a ginger color. But, wait.
Yeah. Be careful.
So we already opened everything up.
You need to
So.
collect them all. Oh, I almost forgot. And I also have Lego City it's for me, but I make it in Jakarta because if I'll go to Jakarta, bring this go into the box again, it will be broken. So I'll make it in Jakarta. So I'm gonna
she
keep
is
it right
a
now.
change of color. See? This is the chip of all everything. So let's go get her
Thinking.
dressed up. No,
Same
she can
color.
just
Let's see.
but she do came with a sticker, so okay.
Of course it is okay. Where is it?
This one, her name is Fishy. I change color on this one.
This one's crying. This is like.
And
Look
she's
at that.
Okay, did you see there's a change of color and she will be changed with the ice cream.
We have these doubles. So
Yeah, so it's okay. So
we'll see you
See you
next
next
time.
time.
Bye.